Have you ever noticed that when someone is communicate well, when someone is speak with clarity and power, and they got a better job, they attract better opportunities, they earn a higher salary, and they command respect whether they are in office, at a party, or at any room when they enjoy them. And you know what? They're not a billionaire or they're not a millionaire. Even if they're not a movie star or they're not a famous people, they're just a simple people, but when they start speaking, their words are we feel something different. Their words have a weight and their presence feels magnetic. We want to talk to them again and again. We want to meet them again and again because they have really superpower communication. They have really beautiful communication. So listen carefully. If you want to really give personality or a personality that people admire, personality that people respect and remember forever, master this one golden rule. Speak clearly, speak well, and speak respectful voice. And master communication power. If you really master the communication skill, you can completely change your life forever. Because communication is everything right now. So today I'm gonna give you 5 powerful communication tips that can completely transform your conversation or your communication, whether you are talking in a meeting or interview at a presentation, whether at any time. If you use these tips, really you become good communicator. So stay with me. Really, the last one is can completely change. This is Kenix, the place where real communication power you build it. We bring an educational and motivational content through provoking, practical and adviceable ways. So if you are here on the YouTube to watching something meaningful, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's begin our journey. Stay with me and like the video. The first tip that boosts your communication is saying without saying. This is a very powerful and very few people knowing about it. According to psychology, people from their first impression about you in just 7 seconds. What? It is only about 7 seconds? Yeah. Before you open your mouth properly, people already decide about 70% of you. Whether you are confident, intelligent or not, they don't care it. They are completely decided about you, which is you're speaking even where you're not speaking. Your body language, your facial expression, your smile, your positive energy, your presence can communicate powerful message. Imagine 2 candidates sitting for job interviews and waiting in a room, and they have the same degree, the same skill, and the same experience, but they have really different communication skills. The first one is sit a relaxed body and positive smile energy, and they are shows confident bodies. The other one is his body is not actually comfortable. He look here fine, he's fine and not confident, or is frustrated. So imagine what do you think really take the interviewer more before they ask the first question. I think the first one, because his nonverbal communication can absolutely set by a team. I'm confident, I'm professional, and I'm really good for your company. So that is the major difference. If you have any skill, good experience and something, but if you don't have really social skill like communication, you lose your job or you can really lose your everything. So try to master the 7-second rule and make your communication really powerful, because communication is everything. The second tips that really boosts your communication is the power of storytelling. Now listen carefully. If you want to really capture hearts, inspire mind and stay memorable, you need to master the power of storytelling. Storytelling is the king, the powerful, or the king of communication, because there is people listen you naturally and emotionally, memorize for a long time. For example, if you are teaching someone about the importance of hard working, or let me take our acquaintance, I'm teaching you about communication, the importance of communication. So if I say, would you really take for a long time, if I say communication is important, you have to hard for communication, you have to improve for your communication ability, because communication is really important. Or if I say, let me tell you, a boy named Simon. Simon came from a small village. There is no electricity, there is no internet, but Sam is wanna be a public speaker or good communicator, and he studies each day underline to become good communicator or good public speaker. And years later, Simon came to the city and learned a lot of psychology books and different things. Then he mastered the art of communication and became the good communicator coach. And years later, he really teach millions of people about how they save their life and how become good person. So, which one would you really remember for a long time? The what I say, you have to really work hard, or the story of Simon? So imagine, storytelling is this is. So it is powerful at any situation, so try to master it and make your communication powerful. And the third tips that completely boost your communication is empathy. Empathy means is the ability to putting yourself someone else's, or it is feeling what others feel. It is absolutely listening people from your heart, not from your ears, because this is completely boost your communication. If you say why, because when people feel you're truly understanding, they really begin to trust you. They really feel safe around you. They are really trust respect you. Try master it. For example, imagine you are really telling your stories to your friends what you face at work, like, and your friend respond to you, don't worry bro, what are you talking about it? This is easy, so just take it easy. So, and let's go to the party. And the other your friend says you, oh, that was so painful bro. So I'm inside you and we try to find the solution bro. Don't worry, I'm inside you. So which one is your best friend and which one is really close to you? This is the power of empathy. So try to master it and boost your communication. The first powerful tips that can completely boost your communication are one of the greatest secret of powerful communication is the sweetest sound. Dale Carnegie, the famous, the greatest, the author of How to Win Friends and Influence People, said the person name is that person is the sweetest sound. So if you call someone name during conversation, instantly you make them special and important, because their name is not just a word, because their name is their childhood memories, their family voices. Use this conversation during conversation, at the beginning and the end of your conversation. When you use that one, really you make them special, especially in friendship and relationship or in a meeting. If you genuinely use their name, you can make it important to them. So I don't just say it, use to in every 2 or 3 sentences. Use it naturally and boost your communication. The final tips that really boost your communication is the one and the only best. If you really master this one, can completely boost your lives. You will rise in relationship, business, anywhere really you become greater and your best version of yourself. The tip is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotion. The best part of this really, when you understand your own emotion, you really learn to respond, not to react. If you don't have the difference between react and respond, I would tell you, react means it is automatic and emotional, but respond is calm, intelligent, and really thoughtful. So, for example, let me give you an example. You are really on the public stage, or you are presenting a 90s and someone is criticizing your ideas, and if you reacted, really your face gets red, and really you respond or you say something terrible things, and really you get angry. This is unprofessional. But if you responded, you stay calm and you take deep breaths and you say thank you for your feedback. Maybe we can discuss together to improve it. I'll think about it more. So which one is, I will look the difference responding and reacting. This is the power of real communication. So really, if you really master these 5 powerful tips, your communication became really powerful, more than you can really possible, because this is not a theory, it is a practical tips. So I really appreciate all of you for staying with me till now. Really, which one tips you can really to do this in your life in the next time? Leave it on the comments. I will read it. And which topics you want to do, I bring a video. Leave in the comments. I will read it and I prepare a video. So thank you so much. And if you are really interested by the video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like the video.